guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be answering a couple questions. Are we supposed to feed our seedlings? What should we feed our seedlings? And when do we feed seedlings? We do organic, so I'll just be talking about what to feed organically. Let's go. Okay, do we need to feed our seedlings? And the answer is yes, because we plant our seeds in a soilless soil or seed starter that does not have any nutrients or food in it. The reason why is because the seed provides food for that plant until it gets its first true leaves. So the first leaf that comes out of the seed is called the cotyledon or cotyledon. I'm not really sure how to say it. But that's the first leaf. Those leaves do not produce or do photosynthesis, so we do not need to feed them until the first true leaves come out. So I'll show you on these basil plants. This is the cotyledon leaf. That is the first leaf that comes out of the seed. That is what feeds your plant. Now, after a little bit, the true leaves come out, and you can see in the basil plant, these are true leaves. Those are the leaves that look like the plant, right? It is when those appear that we need to start feeding our seedlings. So that is, yes, we need to feed them, and why we need to feed them, and when. But before I show you what we feed, if you're finding value so far in this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe because we planted the garden and I can't wait to show you guys. We are organic growers, so we try our hardest not to add any pesticides or in our food as we grow it. So this is what I've been using so far this year. I like it. It is BioThrive Grow from General Organics. And what are we feeding them exactly? We're feeding them nitrogen, which feeds the leaves, and we're feeding them phosphorus or phosphate to grow good roots. Now, this stuff does not smell good, but I really believe that's just because it's organic. I'll be sure to link this down below, so go check it out. This bottle is gonna last me forever because you dilute it way down, especially for seedlings, and I'm only really feeding them for a few weeks until I put them in the garden. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again next time.